What's up, Day in the Life Corey gang? This is going to be a quick review. This review is going to be on this 360-degree grooming kit. It has 5 blades. I've been wanting to try something like this. I have a bald head. Well, it's not bald now because I grew it out just for you guys so I can show you how well this works or it doesn't work. This is the kit that I bought. I will be putting a link in the description. Some of the features which I'll get into once I open it. So this is the Head Shaver Pro, which is model number RQ818. So I'm gonna go over everything that you're gonna get with this kit. So first off, you're gonna get the shaver, charging cable, a massage head, cleaning head. This is gonna be for your nose hairs. You're gonna get your cleaning brush, and this particular head is to shave down your, in my case, mustache or beard, different size guards. And then you're gonna get the shaver itself. First thought, feels really, really good in my hand. Can't wait to try this out. This will be the first time I'm trying one this style. Let's see if it has any power. Okay, it's at 80%. I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing charged and we're gonna do a test. So stay tuned. If you hadn't hit that subscribe button, go ahead and do so. Hit the like button. Make sure you hit that notification bell. Hit the thumbs up and share this video. All right, as you guys can see, I let my hair grow out further than I ever let it grow. That balding pattern is crazy. I don't even know where I get this from. My dad's 84 and he still has hair. I did put a hot towel on my head before I did this because my head does tend to bump. The cool thing about this is you can use this in the shower as well. Most cases I'll be using it in the shower, but let's just see how well this thing does. So you guys saw the results. I think it did really good. I don't think you should let your hair get as long as mine. I just did that for the video just to see how well it would work. Normally I shave my hair about every 2 to 3 days. I'm gonna show you guys how you would clean this shaver. Pop these up like so. And as you can see, there's a bunch of hair in there. You just take the little brush. Get all that hair, guys. This is something you're gonna wanna do each time that you use it. Of course, I'll clean it better once I get done with the video, but I just wanna show you guys how easy it is to clean it. You saw where my mustache was lined up better, guys. I'm gonna show you how simple it is to use the different attachments. So you're just gonna pull on there lightly and you grab your other one. This is the one I actually used and you just pop it in like so. And you're good to go. I wanna show you guys this LCD screen again. That's gonna be your charging port. It only takes about an hour to charge this thing. I went ahead and used it out of the box at 80%, and now it's down to 58%. In most cases, it wouldn't go down that low, but again, like I said, my hair is a little bit longer than what I normally would let it get to. Your facial cleansing brush is gonna come in handy as well. Something that I've never used, but I will be using this one. I don't know if I mentioned that this charges off a USB charging block or just anywhere you have a USB connection. It charges in about 2 hours. Your average charge is gonna give you about 2 hours of runtime. I didn't show you guys earlier, but that center one does come out as well, so you can clean under there. This thing also has a travel lock, so when you're traveling, it won't accidentally come on in your bag. All in all, for me, this works really well. Simple and plain, it conforms to my head, and it didn't pull at my hair, it didn't snag my hair at all. It just did the job, and it's fast. Make sure you click that link below and give it a shot. If you have any questions, leave them below in the comment. And as always, thank you guys for watching. This is Day in the Life of Corey.